Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Nelizgi. Today in this video we are going to learn VI characteristics of PN junction diode on multisim. This is the circuit diagram of a PN junction diode 1N4007 PN junction diode. V means voltmeter for measurement of voltage. The range of voltmeter is from 0 to 20 volt. A is ammeter for measurement of current and the range of ammeter is from 0 to 200 milliampere. 1 kilo ohm it is a load resistance. This is variable power supply. The PN junction diode connected in forward bias means positive terminal of PN junction diode is connected to positive and negative is connected to the negative terminal of the power supply. Now let's study to build this PN junction diode on multisim. By default this design one template is available. Place, component, sources, power sources, DC power. Okay. Next is register. Register is available in basic group. Register. Okay. Next component is a diode. 1N4007. Okay. For measurement of voltage, voltmeter is required and it is available in indicators group. Voltmeter. Okay. For measurement of current, ammeter is required. It is also available in indicator group. Then required ground connection, sources, power sources, ground. Okay. Close. Now make the connection as per this circuit diagram. Means a positive is connected to one terminal of resistor. The other terminal of resistor is connected to diode. Voltmeter is connected across the diode. Current meter is connected in series. And make the ground connection. For VI characteristics, note down the voltages and current value. I am taking 10 readings from 10 to 11 readings. First supply voltage is 0 volt and note down the voltage across diode and current flowing through the diode means IF and VF. VF means forward voltage, IF means forward current. First supply voltage is 0 volt. Double click, set voltage at 0. Okay, run. The voltage across diode is 0 and current is 0. Note down that reading. Next supply voltage is 0.2. Double click, change the voltage to 0.2 volt. Okay, then run. The voltage across diode is 0.199. 0.199 and current through the diode is 0.513 microampere. 0.513 microampere nothing but 0.000513 milliampere. Next is set the supply voltage to 0.4. Double click, 0.4 volt. Okay, then play. The voltage across diode is 0.377. 0.377 and current is 0.023 milliampere. 0.023 milliampere. Next supply voltage is 0.6. Okay, run. The voltage across diode is 0.462, 0.462, and current is 0.138 milliampere, 0.138 milliampere. Make the supply voltage to 0.8. Okay, then run. The voltage across diode is 0.499, 0.499, and current through the diode is 0.301 milliampere, 0.301 milliampere. Then make the supply voltage to 1 volt. Okay, and play. The voltage across diode is 0.521, 0.521, and current is 0.479 milliampere, 0.479 milliampere. Double click, 2 volt. Okay, run. The voltage across diode is 0.572, 0.572, and current is 1.428 milliampere, 1.428 milliampere. Next I am making the supply voltage as 4 volt. Double click, supply voltage is 4 volt. Okay, run. Voltage across diode is 0.612, 0.612, and current is 3.388 milliampere, 3.388 milliampere. Next make the supply voltage to 6 volt. Double click, 6 volt. Okay, run. Voltage across diode is 0.634, 0.634, and current is 5.366 milliampere, 5.366 milliampere. Next make the supply voltage as 8 volt. Okay, play. The voltage across diode is 0.648, 0.648, and current through the diode is 7.352 milliampere, 7.352 milliampere. And the last reading is, make the supply voltage as 10 volt. Run. Voltage across diode is 0.66, 0.66, and current through the diode is 9.34 milliampere, 9.34 milliampere. Voltages are in volt, and IF means current in milliampere. Now draw the VI characteristics of PN junction diode. Select these readings, insert, chart, scatter chart. From this, take this, see, means after 0.6 current starts increasing. The 0.6 volt nothing but a cut-in voltage or knee voltage. It is also called as a cut-in voltage or knee voltage. Initially the current is not start to increase. After 0.6 current starts to increase. This 0.6 volt nothing but cut-in voltage or knee voltage. And the initial before the 0.6 the whatever input voltage is given, that is applied to overcome the depletion region. This is the VI characteristics of PN junction diode during the forward bias condition.